Okay, this time I will share you about how to 3D modeling the simple house from the raw 3D modeling into the rendering with AI with a quick time or the fast time. First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle in here. Click the rotate rectangle and click from this origin and move the cursor to the right side around 6 meter. Enter and move it to the behind. We can type 15 meter and enter. Okay, then we can click the surfaces and select push pull and push it up around 400 millimeter. Enter. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, tap control, click again this line and move it to the behind 1.2 meter. Enter. Okay, then we can click this plane and push it down 50 millimeter. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, and then we can select the rectangle, click from this endpoint until this endpoint like this and click the surface and select offset tool. We can offset inside 150 millimeter. Enter. And then we can click the surface, right click and erase, and then click this plane and push it up. We can type 3.5 meter. Enter. Okay, and then triple click, make group, and we can select the rectangle, click from this corner to this corner again and click this surface and push it up, type 300 millimeter. Triple click, make group and move it to the down. Okay, then we can click this one and select only this area and push pull, push it to the front. We can type 3 meter. Enter. Okay, then we can extend the surface like this and also extend the surface only in this position. Click this wall and select move, tap control and move to the position. Okay, and then we can click this object again, select move, tap control and place to the position. Okay, and then we can also duplicate it again, or we can make the another rectangle in here and move it up. Okay, then we can push it to the front and move the line in down in here and triple click, make group. Okay, then we can assign about the roof materials and place to the position. Okay, and then we can make the opening. We can make the glazing opening in here. Okay, and also in the position about the opening. Okay, we can make the schematic glazing in here. We can just use rectangle and place to the position and click this line, select move, tap control and place to the position. Then we can type 3 slash and enter. Triple click, make group. Okay, we can select a rectangle and place to the position, and we can click this line, select a move, tap control and place to the position. Then we can type 3 slash and enter. Triple click and make group. Okay, and then we can select the glass and select the blue glazing in here. Okay, and after that we can add more facade element. I prefer to make the box in here. Okay, we can make the box in here, and then we can make the another elements. Okay, we can make the another elements. We can extend this slab. Okay, we can extend this slab in here to be this position. Okay, now we can select the rectangle and make group. Okay, and then we can make the rectangle again. Okay, we can make the rectangle again and make group, select a move, tap control and place to the position. Okay, and after that we can make the another shading. I'm sorry, we can make the another shading. We can push it to the front, make group, and again, and place to this position. Okay, and after that we can also make the another shading again in here. Okay, and we can select the materials. We can select the materials of this shading in here, and we can also extend. We can extend about the height of this shading to this position. Okay, and it's done. And anyway, we can make the another extension. We can extend this one until the position. Okay, to make the another variation anyway. Okay, we can make the another variation of this house and give some materials like this. Okay, and after that we can make a rectangle again. Then we can explore. We can explore more about the shaping of this facade. We can extend again. Okay, then we can push it to the position. Okay, then we can make group. Okay, and after that we can assign with the another materials. We can assign with the gray materials over there, and we can add more panel. We can add more panel divider. This is panel divider anyway. Then we can type 5/enter. Okay, so this is a panel divider to make it more futuristic, and then we can also make the another rectangle. We can make the another rectangle again in here. Okay, just like this. Then we can click from this position until this position. We can select the line and move it to the front. Okay, then we can move this panel. Okay, to make a folded expression. Okay, so this is the folded expression of the panel. Then now we can make the another futuristic element again. We can push it to the front again. Okay, we can move the line in here just like this. Okay, we can triple click, make group, so we can assign about this one. Okay, and then we can add more stepping staircase, make group, and we can also make the another vegetation. We can also make the another vegetation in this position, and also in this little bit position. Then we can place the vegetation in the area and also in this area to make it more livable. Okay, then we can change about the style. Then we can also assign about the shadow, and we can also assign about the landscaping, the pavement materials over there. Okay, and also we can move this one to be like this, to make it more stronger than before. Or maybe it's too much, so we can reduce this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, thanks for watching. And now we can render in the Gemini AI with a Nano Banana AI anyway. Okay, now we can screenshot of this model. We can use the screenshot button on our keyboard like this, and select copy, and then we can paste on this Gemini AI. Okay, then we can click the nano banana, and I've already prepare about the prompting. Then we can just paste it on the prompting space in here, and then we can click send and just wait about the result from the Gemini AI nano banana like this. So it takes time about making the rendering from this AI. Okay, and this is about the result. So you can see about the result. It's sophisticated. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to join this membership of this channel. Thank you.